How's it going, tubers? It's me, AMR. Welcome to my unboxing video of the MPOW SE headphones for literally everything. Well, I have bought these because if you watched my previous headphone unboxing video, which was the PS5 Pulse headphones, to be honest with you, I didn't do a proper review of those, but in the comments I wrote down that I was very, very disappointed with those. Main reason I was disappointed with those was because of the price. I paid £100 for those, and they came out to be absolutely bad, dude. I mean, they if people like high pitched sound, which is all about what's it called now? It's got like, you know, high frequency sound and stuff like that, go for it. But for me, no, dude, that no go. I bought £100 for the PS5 Plus headphones, and to be honest with you, I was expecting something to for them to be absolutely great, but they were not. However, these ones, the MPOW SE gaming headset, I know it's MPOW SE, but this is the SE version 2. There's two versions of these. This is the second version of the headphones. These headphones feature 50mm drivers, and they've also got a noise cancelling microphone. It's also got 7.1 sound surround, which means it's going to be absolute perfect with the PS5's 3D sound. So let's go dive right into it. You don't have anything else in the box other than the protective paper, and there goes my shield. But anyways, that's the front of the box. Have a read what it says right there, and you can pause the video if you want. Oh yeah, as I was gonna say, these MPOW SE headphones, normal price is $39.99. However, I was lucky that there's a sale going on, and I got these for a sale price of $25.99. However, I believe these go even lower. The lowest these have been is about $17.99. So compare that with the PS Pulse headphones, dudes. It's a huge difference. I'm not gonna lie, the PS Plus headphones were very comfortable, very light. They looked absolutely incredible. You know, the looks of the headphones were absolutely amazing. However, you know what you gonna do with the looks when you can't literally, you know, it gave me a headache after I did the headphones unboxing. I literally had a headache of using them for about, I think the stream was 2 hours long. So let's see what these headphones are gonna do. This is gonna be an unboxing video of what you get with the headphones. So however, the review is gonna be in the comment section. I don't normally make another video after the headphones, but here we go. So out of the back, you get some basic protection with a bubble wrap, and that's it. The box goes, and then we open. This is the softest bubble wrap I've ever flipping unboxed here. And then you get the headphones out just like that. And there you go. And what else do we have here? We've got some type of credit card stuff. That's a 2-year warranty. Yep, these come with a 2-year warranty, man. Check that one out. So there's a 2-year warranty card right there. And it's an instruction manual in there. And there's a 2-year warranty card. Put that to a side. What we have here is I don't know what this is for, to be honest with you. It's got 2 cables. This is to connect it to your computer, I think. One for headphones, one for mic. Definitely to connect to your computers. You've got that extension where you can put the auxiliary point right in there. And that's for that. You've also got this mini pop filter, which, even though it's got noise cancellation, I think this is for to, you know, cancel out all of the thingamajigs of, I don't know, maybe your voice blur or echoes or whatever. So you put this on like this. I don't even know how you put this on, because it's, you know what, I don't know why I'm putting them on. I haven't even unboxed it properly yet. So here goes the cable. Wow, the cable is beaded, man. And it also has got this little control panel here. The control panel, you can mute your mic just by simply doing this, on and off. You've also got a voice button here, a slider here, and it clicks. So no, actually it doesn't. It's just up and down, voice slider. That's basically the volume slider. And here you have basic controls of mute and unmute. And it is a pretty big cable, man. Does it say how long this cable is? It looks like the cable's 1 meter long, dude. And it's basically bearded. It's got this cable on it, so that will not help. I believe, let's see if we can no, I can't deattach this. Nope. So basically, the only difference between the normal version and the SE version 0.2 is that you can't deattach the mic. which the mic does look really flexible, so you can put it out of the way, put it wherever you want. These are memory foam. Yes, they are. Look very soft, very comfortable indeed. You don't have anything else on the... you got these little holes here, which I don't know what they're for, to be honest with you. And where's the noise cancellation mic? The noise cancellation mic is on... well, there is somewhere here. Well, it is here. So, but there was meant to be one hole. I think that's what these are for. The holes at the top. Well, obviously, I just unboxed these, so I have no idea what these are going to be like. They are adjustable from here. You can go bigger, smaller. I don't think you can... there's no way you can stretch the headband though. But you can stretch them out like that. Very flexible. And so far, they feel very lightweight. Almost the same size as the PS... but I admit the PS5 Pulse ones were slightly lighter than this. But they're very light. I'm not saying they weigh a kilo or something. So there you have it. You can put this all over the place. The pop filter. How the hell do you put on the pop filter? Because I'm going to use that. I think you just force it on somehow. Like, there we go. There you go. Pop filter is on. Just like so. Right. So there you have it. That's the unboxing. Nice and simple. I love the fact that the controls for these headphones are literally on this little thing here, where you can just, you know, pop it on and off and stuff like that. There's nothing on the ear things. Because let me be honest with you, you always forget. You always have to take off and to find out whether, you know, the button. Here you can see the red threaded detail over here. You've got the Empower logo at the top. You've also got Empower on the side of the drivers. And these muffs, I don't know if you can change them, but it seems like you can change them. It's got a clip over there to change them. And they come with, I've already shown you this. This is probably for the PC part. It's got the headphones and the microphone. And all you do is simply click them on here. And then you're good to go. Now, this is a small unboxing. However, the more detailed review, I'm going to write down in the comment below, unless it's requested. And I'm going to do everything. And after this unboxing video gets uploaded, I am going to go on live stream. And that's where you guys will be able to hear my more in-depth review of the mic. You're going to hear how I sound on the mic. And also, you're going to be hearing my reactions to the sound quality of this. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Do not forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Take care of yourselves. Peace out, man.